Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today we're going to see the topic that means the project called Sentiment, Sentiment Director GUI using Tkinter with the help of Python. So all of you know the Tkinter is one of the very fastest one where you can perform anything with the help of Tkinter window. Let's go for a session today. Before going now, you have to know what is sentiment analysis. We can say sentiment analysis is a process of computationally determining whether a piece of writing is positive, negative, or neutral. It's also known as opinion mining, deriving the opinion or attitude of a speaker. So today, as of you know, we are using the social media. Sentiment is the backbone of this because everything is there, everything recorded also, whether it's based on social media, it's maybe business, politics, or whatever there. And if you want to do the sentiment analysis, with the help of Python, and like that, we need some VADER. So now the question arises whether Python can understand the human feelings. Yeah, of course, we can do like little bit with the help of this package Python library only. That is called VADER. That is Violence Aware Dictionary and yes, Intimate Listener. We need means because it's a lexicon and rule based sentiment analysis tool that is specially attained to sentiments expressed in social media. So whatever there today we are following externally with the help of emoji also, but whatever the word the sentence we want to type and make it out, whether it's positive, how much percent positive, how much percent negative, we need help of whether the Python library. Moreover, it uses always a combination of a sentiment lexicon and also lexicon is a list of lexical feature like some say words are word or words number of like that, which are generally labeled according to their semantic orientation as either positive or negative. So before going to the project and coding, let's see the screenshot. So whenever the input is what enter the word, you are the user. We can enter the word or sentence, and we can click the button check sentiment. So whenever you give the sentiment based on the sentence, you read and say, or the sentence was rated as how much, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral, everything. At last, you can check it like that. The number of sentences you can give. When you clear, whatever the screen they clear, it will go like that. So what are things required? We want you can execute the project Pycharm, Jupyter, or ideally anywhere. So if you want to install this project, if you want to run execute the project successfully, we need to as usually can create the Tkinter where we can import the model Tkinter by default, then create the main window and add the number of widgets to the main window and apply the event trigger on the window. At last, install the model. That's called pip install VADER sentiment like that. VADER sentiment. So after everything over, you can switch on go to the Python PyCharm and you can start to execute the project. What are the numbers defined? What are the functions what you can define and activate this code, everything you can for execution. Let's move on to the screen for project coding. So this is a coding, very simple and easy. The project you can as if you know, first thing is import the package. What are the model you want? That is then you can write different clear all where you can write delete the calendar from the inter box. So as I show in the screenshot, it should be empty. So you can make it as negative field dot delete of 0 comma n and neutral field dot delete comma 0 comma n and so on. Positive field overall field. So when you clear option, it will clear. Nothing will be in the screenshot that window whatever generated by the project. So then we can go text area dot delete of 1.0 comma n. We are giving the position also. Then we can print the sentiment. So we can give for print the sentiments. You can write define definition space deduct underscore this sentiment. Then writing sentence code text area get of 1.0 end. That means we are the user. We can insert anything. For example, I want to say I'm very happy, or I want to write I'm very sad, or else she is not coming, or else you can write he is not happy, he is not coming. I'm happy like that. So then you can write SID underscore object sentiment internalizer by default. Then we can write the function like this. Then you can go sentiment underscore dictionary SID underscore object of polarity scores sentence. Then you print the numbers like 0.75 or 75 point something. Then string equal to write string of estimate dot dictionary of negative multiplies 100 plus percentage negative and negative dot negative field dot insert of 10 comma string. So as of you know, I read about social media. Similarly, can you what are the social media you know? Similarly, you can what are the text you are doing like that, we are can do here also. This simple project. Like that, we continue for neutral, like that, we continue for position, positive, and so on. Then if we are going the condition, if sentiment underscore dictionary compound greater than equal 0.05 is string positive. So they give the value. Go and set the value. If at all positive, if at all common value is greater than equal to 0.05, that means positive. Else it is a negative only. And else it is a neutral. So it's not positive, it's not say for example, say I'm very happy and sad, it's like come under category of neutral like that. And we can give overall field dot instead of 10 comma string. Then I'm write the driver code and complete the project. If number name is equal to main and GUI is equal to TK and GUI dot configure background is light green. So whatever color one you can give it here and title is sentiment detector. As of now, you can give whatever with the help of Tkinter, it will work out here. So then GUI dot geometric of size 250 multiplies 400. Then create a label. I'm going to enter the text. So label is called GUI comma text will enter a sentence. So that background color is light green. So as of now, we can enter the sentence. It may be a word one by one or a group of words. Whatever that, it will take it. It will take as input and read and display the information. So we are going to give the text area. We are setting the text area height, weight, everything else, and font size is lucida like that. You can change anything. Then when now important whenever the check button. So we are going to create a check button, submit button, and also whenever user press, we are the user press the button, the command function will be work out and give the result executed. So that is I'm writing check equal to button of GUI comma text or text check sentiment. Yeah, foreground color is black, BG color is red, command is deduct sentiment like that. So when you execute this command, what submit button, it will create like this and create a negative label you're writing. Negative is called label of sentence was rated as background color. Similarly, you can write for neural, similarly can positive. Same thing we're repeating. So based on the word what are giving, the with the help of this what is sentiment, it will work out and give the result. Except overall you can say sentiment overall it is for how much, whether with the combination of positive negative rule or plus how much. So like that we can do. And entry of GUI and neural field you can say end of GUI because everything by default entry only. Whatever sentence we are going to give based on it to react it. So we are giving overall field entry of this like that, and after press the command and clear button. So whenever user presses clear button, whatever the screen will be clear. Again the user can have allowed to type something there. So using the clear button and exit button also. Once you give exit button, the screen will close automatically window. So you're giving the exit also. If you want, you can add. At last, we can complete the coding like this. Text area. Again, give the text area row is equal to 0, column is equal to 1 because you can enter one by one. So first row, second row, third row, the result will be displayed step by step. Check also is there, and negative is there, neural is there, positive is there. Can you so we are setting the thing already. I explained the TK and the basics in the previous passage. You can check it out. At last we can stop with GU dot main loop. So after giving all the activity stopped here. So once executed, as of we can execute the here. I already executed. So you can give press main button and go for execution. So remember we have to install the model. After that we go for execution. So this screen we can display here automatically. So I'm going to enter the word. First I'm going to enter the word. I am just I'm typing. I am very happy. Sorry, I'm very happy. We can see the result. The sentence I'm writing very happy. It's saying the sentiment. So it's displaying the information. That is a positive word saying 42.9% neural. If it is on word okay. At last it is a positive. So let's type. I'm going to type I am very sad. What will happen? Because the negative sentence, as of you know. So it is sentence. Yeah. Sorry, how to give clear? So I'm writing I am very sad. I'm giving different output. So it's saying negative. So I'm writing I'm very sad, comma happy. So when you combination, you check neural statement, it will happen. It's saying negative plus positive. So I can type like this. So variety of output is not coming. Just I'm typing is not coming. Just I'm typing today. I'm happy. So I'm very happy like that. Let's see the result. So when I give the sentence like that, it will like this. Sorry, I had to give clear. After clear button, I can write is not coming. Coming. I'm happy. I'm happy. Just I'm giving. So see the result here. When I go the button check sentiment, display like this. Yeah. At last set within 625 neural, 30 per positive, at last positive like that. So like that, we can successfully execute the project. So when you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. When you exit, it's gone.